Did you know that an iPhone can cause a fire or even explode? These pro tips will not only protect your iPhone, but also keep you safe from danger. Tip number 1. Never leave your device in direct sunlight, hot environments, or inside a car on a hot day. Temperatures inside a parked car can rise above 60 Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit, which is enough to seriously damage your iPhone's battery and cause fire. iPhones are designed to work best in temperatures between 0 to 35 degrees Celsius, 32 to 95 Fahrenheit. Tip number 2. Never charge your device overnight, or in hot environment or under blankets and pillows. Make sure that you use Apple-certified or MFI-certified chargers, and remove thick cases while charging to help with heat dissipation. Tip number 3. Don't use multiple heavy apps for too long. Games or video editing tools can generate proper heat. Close unused apps running in the background, lower your screen brightness, and give it a break before it gives you that dreaded temperature warning. Tip number 4. Avoid physical damage of your device to prevent impact or puncturing, which could damage the lithium-ion battery. If you notice swelling or damage of your iPhone, stop using it immediately. Chemical reaction inside the battery can cause fire or explosion. Tip number 5. If your iPhone does overheat, it will display a warning message and stop working temporarily. If this happens, turn it off and let it cool down in a shaded, ventilated area. Never try to cool it down too quickly, like putting it in a freezer or water. That can cause even more damage. By following these tips, you'll keep your iPhone safe and working great for years to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pro tips. Also, let us know in the comments, what's your biggest iPhone mistake?